Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang L50 ng Italy or 50 lire. Mayroon taon na 1956. Tapusin lang natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Italy. Dahil napaka rare nito guys. The 1956 lira 50 or L50 coin from Italy is part of the Italian lira currency system which was in use before Italy adopted the euro in 2002. This particular coin belongs to the Repubblica Italiana or Italian Republic series which started in 1950 after Italy transitioned to a republic following World War II. Coins specification and denomination: year of minting 1956, material use or composition acmonital or stainless steel alloy, weight 8.0 grams, diameter of 24.8 mm, age flint. The obverse designs. The obverse of the coin features the head of the young woman facing right, wearing a wreath on her head, symbolizing victory and honor. Around the edge, the inscription reads REF, R-E-F, V as in victory, double bravo, Lica or L-I-C-E, Italiana or Italian Republic. Designed by Giuseppe Romagnoli, a famous Italian engraver. The reverse design or the back design. The reverse side displays a standing blacksmith forging metal on an anvil, a representation of labor and industry. Key values in post-war Italy. The denomination L50 is on the right sides and the mint year 1956 is inscribed below. The small letter R near the bottom represents the Rome mint where the coin was struck. The 1956 L50 coin is part of the Vulcan series, first introduced in 1950. This series was produced to replace the Old Kingdom of Italy coins following the abolition of the monarchy in 1946. The 1956 Italy was in the midst of the economic recovery known as the Italian economic miracle. From 1950s up to 1960s, with rapid industrialization and growth, the coin's imagery, particularly the blacksmith, symbolized Italy's reconstruction efforts and industrial strength. Rarity and the value. Among the Vulcan series, the 1956 version is common as millions were minted. However, coins in uncirculated or proof condition may still be valuable to collectors. Some rare mint error or high quality specimen can fetch higher prices in the numismatic markets. The 1956 Italian lire coins is a relatively common with a mintage of approximately 69.4 million pieces. Market value varies based on the condition and rarity. In circulated conditions, these coins typically hold modest value. However, in the uncirculated or mint stitch condition, they can be more valuable to collectors. For the 1956 50 lire in uncirculated coins, or uncirculated condition was listed for €7 up to 7.54 US dollar. The 1956 L50 Italian coin is a historical artifact from Italy's post-war period, symbolizing industrial strength and national pride. It is part of the long-running Vulcan series, which remained in circulation until today, until the Italy transitioned to the Euro in 2002. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless.